Did you know your iPhone has a hidden setting that can lock apps from accessing your photos without your permission? For this, go to the settings, then tap Screen Time. Now, open Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it's turned on. Then scroll down to Privacy and tap Photos. At the top, you'll see two options: allow changes, don't allow changes. Now, here is the trick. If you select don't allow changes, your iPhone will lock all photo access settings. That means no app can secretly change its access, and no new app can request access to your photos without your control. Below that, you'll see a list of apps. Some apps may have full access, limited access, add photos only, or no access at all. You can customize each app before locking it. This is perfect if you don't trust certain apps, or you want to protect private photos, or maybe you're giving your phone to someone else. Once locked, no one can change these permissions without your screen time passcode. So make sure you have set a screen time passcode. If you found this helpful, like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more hidden iPhone privacy tips.